In this video, we'll be doing a brief overview of team assets. Team assets are a collection of elements that can be placed in any document while editing. To insert an asset, click the asset logo in the left panel of the editor. Click on the asset or drag it into your document. There are three types of assets: logos, images, and components. Logos are image files that can be used to alter or match your branding style. Images consist of standard image files and are replaceable with other images. Components are any combinations of text, images, shapes, or logos. All parts within components are fully editable. Assets are independent of each document. If the asset is deleted from the document, it will stay in your Team Assets folder.